Fast-moving wildfires have spread across parts of Washington state. Around 24 buildings have burned so far, among them parts of a chimpanzee sanctuary. Authorities say the animals are unharmed and firefighters are working hard to protect the building the chimps are in. The fire's covering an area that's nearly 3,000 acres.
The fire is being driven by pretty strong winds, and what we're trying to prevent it from doing is jumping the Yakima River.
It's a similar story in Southern California, where around 7,000 acres is burning. More than 1,000 firefighters, air tankers and helicopters are involved in the operation to tackle the flames. So far, the cause of both fires is unknown.